welcome back. We are back today with the December Ipsy Glam Bag Reveal and Review. So if you want to see how I got this look today, then keep on watching. All right, let's see what's inside. Oh my God, look at the little holiday bag. Oh my goodness. So I have 3 masks to choose from today. Oh my goodness. I'm feeling a little dry, so today I'm gonna go in with this. Just stand by for that. I will be featuring these 2 masks on a Get Ready With Me in the future. All right, let's open up this beautiful bag. Be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. Oh, I have a 6th bonus product. I have this beautiful blending brush. I'll be sure to use this today. Oh my God, I can't even read that. Kiss and Smink. The Everything is what it's called. So this is for lips, eyes, and cheeks. We will be multitasking with this today. Catherine Natural Cosmetics. A highlight. Check out that swatch. That's nice. I can't wait to use that. Then we have a lip color, whatever. It's a glitter flip in the shade Infamous. Swatch this. Ooh, definitely a nice fall color. And here, Nude Eyeshadow by The Balm. Wow, that's really soft. Oh wow, I've got to figure out how the hell to use that color today. Okay, so the first product out of my Ipsy Glam bag that I used, the Cream Shop, as a Korean beauty product. Let It Glow Ultra Moisturizing, I think it's jojoba oil sheet mask. Repairs dry, cracked winter skin. I'm not necessarily dry and cracked right now, but I am pretty dry. Still have a couple minutes left on this, and trying to get everything situated. I wanted to have my tiny ass tree behind me, so because it's December. Oh wow, that is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I probably could have left it on a little longer, but I just kind of want to get rolling. I'm not really going anywhere today. Day's like half over, but I wanted to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and moisturize with my Josie Marin Whipped Argan Oil. For the rest of this video though, I will remind you that everything is listed and linked in the description box below. I will only be showing the products that are in the Ipsy bag, but I will still make mention of the stuff that I use. Alright, so I've done my foundation, my concealer, I've powdered, I have under eye baking going on. So the next thing I'm going to use is the, what is it? This freaking brush here. It'll be, I can't, well, F-A-R, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm gonna go in with the first shade here. I'll go ahead and bring it in. I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette and using Orange Soda, which is this shade here. Perfect size brush. Product up really well. I really like this brush. I'm curious as to how some of the other brushes by this brand work. It really does hold a lot of product. Pretty even disbursement. Doesn't seem patchy. Wow. And it's like the perfect size for my lid. That works absolutely wonderfully, and I will be using that regularly. Absolutely. For sure. Alright, so I am ready to go in with the Balm. This eyeshadow here. Bootylicious. Hello. And I'm going to be going right in with a packing brush, and I'm going to keep this pretty close to the outside of my eye. I will have it come down on my lid and bring it up into the crease. It's a pretty nice color. It applies pretty nicely. I have a lot of fallout going on, but then again, I am very heavy-handed because girl likes to use product. I go in light, but if I trust it and myself. It's a very pretty color. Definitely, like this is totally workable. I'm gonna go in with the Everything. I won't be putting this on my lips today, so I will have to feature that in a different video. I'm just gonna go ahead in with my finger. It's a nice cream color or texture. Add a little bit to my lid. Yes, it is going on top of the powder. It's It's a nice color. What I'm going to do is add a shimmer color on top of it. And this will actually kind of be used as also like a primer or something as well. And I'm going to go in with a gold color here out of my Anastasia Soft Glam palette. And I'm only showing this because I'm working with the product that was. Okay, so I'm really excited about this. And normally I would be going in with my bronzer next, but I'm gonna go ahead and try blush first, just because it will be cream on top of powder, and I want to try it this way. That didn't work as well, and I think it is because that it is a cream on top of a powder, but I wanted to at least try it because in the real world, who doesn't powder? Like, try and blend that in as best as I can. Not really liking that as much, but at least for that purpose in this application. So it is a very pretty color swatched, which I don't think I swatched that in the beginning. Alright, so up next, I have the Catherine Natural Cosmetics Highlight in Sienna's Highlight. That's this color here. And I'm just gonna go in with a nice dense brush because girl needs her highlight. Oh wow. I'm not gonna lie, when it said natural on it, I was like, wait a minute. Can it still be blinding? Yes, it can. This is definitely buildable, which is fantastic, because if you ever want to be subtle, which is very rare for me, you have the option, which is fantastic. So basically all that's left is lips, so I'm going to go off camera and finish up my eyeliner mascara and set the face, and then we'll go in with lips, and that'll be it for the Ipsy video. I have one more product, and it is the Glitter Flip in Infamous by a brand that I don't know how to pronounce. Kind of applies like a matte liquid lip, except for it's not matte at all. It feels nice. It looks really pretty. Honestly, the only thing I don't like about it is the color. It's too dark for me. I'm not really into darker lip. Maybe I should be. That's a me problem. But as far as the application goes, it feels really great. Let's have you get a full look of what's going on in Better. Alright, here is the finished look with all of the Ipsy products that I received this month, December. I'm extremely happy with how everything came out, even though the lip is a little bit too dark than what I normally go for. I think it really brings the look together. It feels good. It doesn't dry like a matte liquid lip would. I'm totally loving this, not gonna lie. I'm really happy with the eyes. But yeah, as promised, everything is listed and linked in the description box below. Even the products that I did not show on camera today, everything will be listed and linked. There's more stuff coming up, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'll be back next month with January's Ipsy Glam Bag, and until the next one.